I'm Elaine Masters. First meals in a new country can be kind of tentative, but India surprised me deliciously. While others waited for omelets and piled sausages on their plates, I ate delicious idli, the pillowy, steamed, savory cakes made from rice and lentil batter, and I heaped fresh coconut chutney on every bite. On other mornings, there were fresh dosas, the crispy, paper-thin crepes made from fermented rice and lentils. Then there were incredible fresh breads, and pair any with Rajasthan curries, and you eat very, very well. In the Thar desert village of Satrawa, Sambhali Trust offers village girls and women training, education, and a safe place to visit outside of their homes. They cooked mild curries for us. At a private home, we ate and drank into the night, a family recipe for buttery chicken with side dishes and breads. And then there were sips of local wines and premium Old Monk whiskey. Before leaving the desert, we stopped by a small farm where garlic and chilies were grown. The deep red carrots were unlike anything I'd seen at home. Chai was a constant through the days. Here, the spicy tea is made with milk, pepper, and ginger. We would stop walking for chai. We'd get off the bus for chai breaks. Visits started with chai and often pakoras, the savory fried potato snacks. Another treat was lassi, a fresh, thick yogurt drink that was available almost everywhere. Instead of plastic, lassi was poured into clay cups that were then thrown away. One night after dinner in Jaisalmer, we stopped in a lassi shop, famous for its cannabis infusions. In Jodhpur, dinner at the boarding house was accompanied by gypsy performers. At the Ajit Balwan Palace, a garden dinner was filled with the music of another gypsy troupe. But top honors go to two dinners, the Samod Haveli dinner on our last night and a dinner at the Spice Route inside New Delhi's Imperial Hotel. First we had chai in the courtyard and then entered the exquisite space. I enjoyed a shrimp curry from Kerala, and my friend ordered the tasting menu, which featured Thai dishes. At a Sikh temple in New Delhi, we saw groups of volunteers cooking and preparing meals for the hungry. A pedicab took me into the Spice District. Getting there was a rush. The district was bursting with business. Sacks of spices and chilies sat open to the elements. I'll never forget those meals. This trip was organized by Purposeful Nomads with the impeccable help of Rajput, Cultural Adventures, and Sambhali Trust. You can read more about visiting Rajasthan on my blog, Tripwell Gal. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Tell me what's your favorite Indian dish. I'm Elaine Masters. Thanks for watching.